name is Unicorn, and I will teach you how to play Chutes and Ladders. First, we roll the dice. I rolled a 5. You move your playing piece the number of steps shown on the die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can't climb the slide, skip spaces, move other people's playing pieces, or roll again when you already rolled. You can move it again when you get another turn. Remember, be patient when your turn is done. This is breaking the rules. You cannot do this. If you reach 100, then you win. That is how you play Chutes and Ladders. Thanks for watching the video. Bye!